Over a month ago, when it was still 30 degrees here in Vancouver, we bought plane tickets to go to Denver, Colorado.
We planned to pack up the snowboards and get some early season riding before the resorts here in BC opened. The only problem was there was no snow or opening date for any of the mountains.
Yeah, the temperatures weren't even cold enough for them to start making snow.
Fast forward a month and we are currently in the car. We've packed it all up and we're on our way down to Seattle to catch that flight to Denver. At the end of September, I got an email from the Daily Drop, and the email said that there were free US flights being offered by a budget airline. Naturally, we started booking our flights right away, but as with most budget airlines, any luggage is going to cost you extra. So our flights quickly went from free to very, very expensive.
But we didn't want to give up on the trip, so we were determined to find a way to make this trip work while still keeping it budget friendly.
But we'll tell you exactly how we did that once we get to Seattle. What did they just ask us at the border?
If we have any fruits, vegetables, tobacco, or liquor.
What did we say?
We have none. We have 2 apples.
We're criminals.
Jinx. And off to the airport we go. Thank you.
So if you messed up, now you straighten it out.
Thank you. Well, the Southwest guy just gave us a big bag of Halloween candies because today's Halloween.
2866 Sacramento.
There it is.
Here we go. Snowboards should come out here. We're just waiting.
Just a reminder, any oversized items, golf clubs, hockey sticks, any fishing rods, snowboards, they're all going to be across from Carousel 5, and they are in the moving wall.
We got them. Let's go now.
This is really heavy. I don't know how people do this all the time. Keystone did open up by the time we got to Colorado, but we spent our first week in Colorado Springs. Check out what we got up to there in our next video.
We're going there! We're going snowboarding.
Ready to go?
Let's go. Day 1 of the season, baby. We're going now.
Yep.
So, there was an area where we can go to a lift where we can get on a chair and come right back up.
So, first lap.
I love it. I'm glad we're doing it.
I love snow!
I never thought we'd actually come to Keystone, or I'd ever come to Keystone, like, to be completely honest. It sounded like it was so far away.
I didn't think I'd ever come to Keystone specifically, but I did think that I was going to come to Colorado. They have one of the top mountains in the States, so.
That's true. I just feel like I'm glad all this is becoming a reality. That we get to travel and do stuff. Look, more bike trails.
Bike trails look sick.
I think we're going to come here to mountain bike also.
Yeah. We made it to Keystone,
We got a few laps in.
but now it's time to eat.
Let's go eat.
We realized that we don't have any food to eat with our chickens, so we gotta go grocery shopping.
Boo. I'm hungry.
By booking a place with a kitchen, we save so much on food. We're able to grocery shop instead of going out to eat for every meal. Which is especially nice in a mountain town like this, where eating out is really expensive. I nailed the making our lunches for tomorrow and then off to bed.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's go.
so while lift tickets for skiing and snowboarding, I should not be wearing this. So while lift tickets for skiing and snowboarding aren't necessarily a budget option, if you are Epic Pass holders like us, which we already had for Whistler, you can ski a lot of the Colorado mountains, like Keystone, where we are here, and Breckenridge,
Vail, Crested Butte. I think that's it.
Beaver Creek.
Beaver Creek? Yeah, I think those are the epic ones.
Good morning. We haven't even had coffee yet, but that's because we're on our way to Breckenridge to get some free coffee.
So today is the second day that Breckenridge opened, and they did a fundraiser for the food bank. So with a donation, they were giving away these Breck mugs.
And free coffee, but we decided to get macadamia nut lattes.
Which are really good. We're just gonna go eat a little bit more breakfast and then make our way up to the mountain. So we just finished riding up at Breckenridge and we're on our way down to the village to do some exploring. What did you think of Breck?
So much fun. I can't wait to come back when more is open. We just went and saw the troll here in Breckenridge, which is all about preserving nature, leaving no trace, and making sure that our beautiful earth stays as beautiful as it is. I'm not as mad because we've had the bus and walk. But there were people at the troll carving their name into a tree. And when I told them to stop, they didn't care. They just kept carving their name right in front of the troll. No wonder he looked so sad.
He was very sad. We're going back to Keystone right now because snowboarding Breck in the morning, then walking around the village and going exploring at Breck is not enough, and we need to go snowboarding again. I'm just kidding, we're tired. We're not doing snowboarding again. Until tomorrow. So we've had the chance to ride Vail, Breck, and Keystone. Which one's your favorite?
I don't know, I'm sleeping.
Okay, we will come back. Stop filming me because I'm out of shape.
It's the elevation. But what time does the bus come?
I don't know. We can wait over here. Come on. How do you feel about day 5? Would you do it again?
Sleep again? Yes.
5 days in a row.
Yes.
It's worth it?
I snowboard 5 days in a row.
So this is just practicing. Shouldn't be trained.
I'm tired from everything else.
It's been a long 2 weeks. She has valid reason to be tired.
We never did explain why we took the bus to Vail, but we've just bused back to our car because we're parked in free parking, which they do have in Vail. It is further away from the
City center.
yeah, from the lifts, but all of the shuttles in Vail are free too, so may as well save a few bucks and just catch a shuttle.
Traveling on a budget, so that's what you gotta do.
Yes. Okay, let's cross.
Or walk past our car.
Yes.
It's a quality sandwich.
There's so much hummus on this, yet weirdly it's so dry.
You want that banana? You really hate on bananas.
I don't hate on bananas. I just don't love them.
I wonder if it was bigger earlier.
Do you think about how you put it in your mouth?
No, I was okay. Am I ready to go? Can we go? Should I wait?
Where are we going?
Well, we're gonna head back towards Denver. That's a start.
Okay. That's the extent of our plan so far.
Yeah, I need to go clean the windshield because I can't see anything.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
We need to go back towards Denver because that's where the airport is.
Yeah. We have 12 hours before we have to be at the airport. So, just gotta kill some time.
Look at that, I can see now. Magical. I'm tired. We're exhausted. We were trying to do this trip on a budget, and so we thought it was a great idea to not book a place to stay for tonight.
Because our flight was so early.
Yeah, our flight's at 5 a.m. So we're like, we gotta be at the airport for 3. Doesn't make sense to actually book a place that we're not really gonna stay at. So we checked out of the place we were staying at in Keystone this morning at 10 a.m. and made our way to Vail to go snowboarding. And then since then, we've been trying to fill our time with things to do that we didn't plan.
Pretty much just aimless driving.
Yeah.
I'm out of apple.
Do you want another one?
Sure. Okay, so we checked out of our place.
Yeah.
We went to Vail.
We snowboarded.
And then we had a lot of time to kill.
It was like 3 o'clock when we stopped snowboarding.
Yeah.
It's now midnight.
We did a lot of aimless driving.
And a lot of sitting in random parking lots, doing nothing. Because we didn't really know where to go in Denver. We grabbed some dinner. And
I don't even know where this story's going.
we were gonna try to do things until we had to make it to the airport for about 3 a.m. But we were tired of just driving around in circles and not really doing much. Plus, when the car's not on, it gets cold. And some of the areas we were stopped just sitting in the car felt sketchy. I had a sketchy encounter with someone while I was trying to go to the washroom. More about that another time. But we decided to just come to the airport because apparently if we're lucky, we may be able to check our bags in 4 hours before the flight, so that's about an hour from now. But that's if the check-in people show up to actually check our baggage. They might not show up till like 2 or 3 a.m. So So right now we're waiting with all our stuff. I don't know what else to say.
You said it all.
I've said it all. Like, what is this guy even saying?
I'm pretty sure I said that out loud a couple times.
Yep. So,
Vlogging while tired is hard.
we will try to keep you guys along for this trip. Or we will see you.
No, we'll see you on the next trip. This is enough.